Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the East-West bank account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. On the search engine of your web browser, type in www.eastwestbank.com and press enter. After the home page of the eastwestbank.com opens up on your screen, you'll see a small tab for you to log in or sign up to the eastwestbank.com on the right hand corner of your screen. Now for you to sign up or enroll to the eastwestbank.com, you'll need to click on the sign up now button right here. After you click on the sign up button, another tab should open up on your screen. Once that tab opens up, you'll see a text field for you to enter your username. Make sure that you're already registered to the bank to enroll into the eastwestbank.com website. Now firstly, type in the correct username you registered to the eastwestbank.com here and click on submit. After you click on submit, another page will open up that will guide you to enroll into the bank account. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the eastwestbank.com website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.